So, you want to launch your very own Rumble channel in 2025. Awesome choice. Rumble is growing fast, and it's a great place for beginners to build an audience. Let me break down exactly how to get started step by step, so you don't get lost in the weeds. First up, sign up for a Rumble account. Head to rumble.com and hit that sign up button. Pick a strong username, something easy to remember and related to your content if you can. Don't overthink it. You can always adjust later. Now, let's talk branding. Upload a clean profile pic and write a short, catchy description for your channel. Tell people what you're all about in 1 or 2 sentences. Remember, first impressions matter. Next, decide what kind of videos you want to make. Don't stress about being perfect from the start. Choose a topic you actually enjoy. Tech, fitness, cooking, gaming, whatever gets you talking. The more authentic you are, the more viewers will connect with you. Time to make your first video. You don't need fancy gear. Use your phone, keep it simple, and focus on good lighting and clear audio. Introduce yourself, explain what your channel's about, and invite people to subscribe. Upload your video and add a catchy title, description, and some relevant tags. This helps people find your content. Don't forget a thumbnail. Even a simple, bold image will grab attention. Engage with your viewers in the comments. The Rumble community loves creators who interact. Finally, stay consistent. Aim for 1 video a week at first, and don't get discouraged if you don't go viral right away. It's all about learning and improving as you go. All right, you're ready to launch your Rumble channel in 2025. Hit that upload button and start sharing your voice with the world. Good luck, and don't forget to have fun with it.